You go to the gym, you lift weights, you work very hard, you want to see your muscles grow, you want to feel stronger, you want to recover faster after your workouts, but sometimes it feels like nothing is changing. You feel tired and sore for a long time. You look in the mirror and do not see the results you want. This can feel very frustrating. You might think you are doing something wrong, or that your body just cannot build muscle easily. This feeling is very common for many people who are trying to get stronger and fitter. The problem is often not how hard you train. The problem is what you do after you train. Your body needs the right tools to repair itself and grow stronger. It is like building a house. You can have the best workers, but if you do not give them bricks, they cannot build the walls. Many people guess what their body needs. They eat a little of this or a little of that. They hope it is enough. But guessing is not a good plan for building muscle. You need a clear and simple plan to give your body exactly what it needs to succeed. This feeling of being stuck can make you want to give up. You might think that building muscle is too complicated or only for professional athletes. That is not true. The solution is much simpler than you think. It does not require strange supplements or difficult diets. The answer is understanding one very important thing: protein. Protein is the key that unlocks your body's ability to build muscle and recover from exercise. Once you understand how to use protein correctly, you will stop guessing and start seeing real, consistent progress. Now, you know that protein is important. The next big question is, how much protein do you need? Many people get this part wrong. They either eat too little or they eat way too much at one time. The key is to get the right amount and to spread it out through the day. A simple rule for active people is to aim for about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. If you weigh 75 kilo, 165 avlb, you should aim for about 120 to 165 grams of protein per day. Visual: 75 kilo x 2.0 g, 150 g. This might sound like a lot, but you can break it down into smaller, manageable goals per meal. Instead of thinking about the total for the day, focus on getting enough protein at each meal. Aim for about 25 to 40 grams of protein with every meal. If you eat 4 meals a day and you get 30 grams at each meal, that's 120 grams for the day. This strategy makes it much easier to hit your daily target. You know how much protein to eat. Now let's talk about when to eat it and what foods are good sources. The timing of your protein intake can make a difference. The most important time to have protein is in the few hours after your workout. This period is often called the anabolic window. During this time, your muscles are very sensitive to nutrients. They are ready to soak up amino acids and start the repair process. Aim to have a meal or a shake with 25 to 40 grams of protein within 1 or 2 hours of finishing your training session. This will kickstart muscle recovery and growth. But post-workout is not the only important time. As we discussed, spreading your protein intake evenly across the day is crucial. Think of it as giving your muscles a constant slow drip of building blocks. If you eat all your protein in one giant meal, your body cannot use it all at once for muscle building. It is much better to have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and maybe a snack. This keeps muscle protein synthesis elevated throughout the day, even on your rest days. There are many great options from both animal and plant sources. Animal sources are often called complete proteins. Chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, salmon, tuna, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, milk. A palm-sized piece of chicken or fish, 4 eggs, or a large scoop of whey protein powder can easily provide you with 25 to 40 grams of protein. If you prefer plant-based foods, you can also get plenty of protein. You just need to be smart about combining sources to get all the essential amino acids. For example, 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein, and a block of tofu has over 20 grams. Plant-based protein powders made from soy, peas, or rice are a convenient way to hit your protein goals, especially after a workout. The key is to choose the sources you enjoy and eat them consistently, and stick with them. Protein is the star player for muscle recovery, but it is not the only player on the team. A huge part of this plan is sleep. When you sleep, your body does most of its repair work. Here are 3 simple steps you can take today. 1. Estimate your goal. use your hand. Plan to eat one palm-sized portion of protein at your next meal.